Hi, welcome back to part 2 of this episode regarding, doing chores, what they lead to, and I just want to be clear that chores lead to other chores. Just because sometimes work seems to be done doesn't necessarily mean it is. So over here we've got compost going on, and all of the cuttings I've took off. You see these big things? There's a lot of them. There's too much to cut or shred up. I'm just tossing them on a compost like this. There's going to be a lot more weather coming down before I'll need this. Maybe sometime early, late, midsummer, this will eventually break down. I don't care. It gets covered in grass and leaves soon enough, so it looks like, just jumbled there, but that's just short time. That's where it's going because it's too much. But it's an easy place to put things, so I don't have to chop them up and put them out in the garbage or anything like that. I make compost with it. Okay, so coming back, I try to not fall today. Coming back here, I came in and cut up this apple tree real well. Okay, everything's within reach here. Butterfly bush where it was growing and being not so useful in the back, and cutting off sun here. I cut all this back, so now we get more sun going on to the gummy berry. This is a really great producing plant and worth the effort to save production by cutting a lot of it off. And for what I can, sure, the easy thing is just free mulch, toss the cuttings on the ground. When they get too big, they go into compost. Now, this tree here is still way too tall. Okay, I've got extension cutter to come in, and wow, how tall is that? It might be up there about 13 feet maybe. Okay, so this is an Asian pear. I want to cut that back so I can get the pears. So let's see what else we've done here today to open it up a little bit. This Williams Pride apple. Okay, and the fruit is courtesy of ediblelandscaping.com. Well, not courtesy of, I purchased it, but I like bragging about them. Great products, great plants. This is an Asian pear, and this was really growing way up high, but I cut it all the way back so I can reach most of it now. I don't mind sharing some with the squirrels. We don't mind that, but it's hard not to be greedy, so we want to be able to produce well, and then keep it within reach. And again, I got another high one up there I have to come in and cut with an extension cutter. But I think the point of the coming out and doing a little pruning today is, wow, there's a lot of pruning that needs to be done. I don't want to do it all at once, or I won't do it a good job. I'm the only one who comes out to prune. But then everybody else pitches in for other chores around this. But in February, it's time to prune. Don't be a prude. Go out there and prune your trees and your bushes so you got fruit this spring and summer. And you got questions, better ways of doing this, better ways of showing how you get prepared for summer fruit, summer gardening, spring gardening. Share, okay? And in the meantime, get prepared, come back for more, and thanks for watching. If you enjoy it so much, subscribe, come back for more, like it, and hit that bell icon. All right, Prepper 21 out.